Um, the next command I want to talk about it is the subtract. Um, Previously, once I talked about this union command here, which actually join two solids together. Not this time, I want to see how we can subtract two solids from each other. So let me go ahead and draw. Um, um, so let me go on top view and first draw a rectangle started from 0, 0, and assume goes to 50, 50, and then I'll draw a circle here, started from the center of that, and then it goes, for example, for the radius of 15. Now let me go back to my 3D view. So here, let me go the other way so it's seen better. So now I'm gonna press pull them. So I choose this one and bring it up for 50. Oh no, sorry. So select this one. So press pull it, select this one and bring it up for 50, and then select this circle and assume I bring it that one up as well as for 50 as well. So now I have these two. So if I go ahead, make it X-ray so you can see them. So I have this and this inside them. So let me rotate it a little bit. So rotate it so you can see them. So I have one cylinder here, sorry, one cube here and one cylinder here. Now if we use the union as we did before, if I click on the union and select for example the first one and select the second one and press enter, it's going to make a single object out of that. But let me control Z. So this is not what I want to do this time. I want to do the subtract. So it's a subtractor. You can either find it here or you can go to the solid and then find it here in the command here. So if I click on the subtract, so I click on the subtract, it says select the object. The first object or series of objects you are going to select is the one that you want to keep. So I want to keep this, assume I want to subtract this cylinder from this cube. So I'm going to first select the cube, and when I'm done with selection, I will press enter. Then it says select the object again, but this time is the one you want to subtract from the original object. So I want to subtract the cylinder from the cube. So this time I select the cylinder, and when I press the enter, it's going to subtract that cylinder from that cube that I have. So you can see that I have some, it's going to leave something like that. So it's also handy sometimes when you want to draw something. It's sometimes easier to draw two separate objects and subtract them from each other rather than drawing. For example, it's much easier for this case to draw a cube and cylinder and subtract them rather than I try to draw this cross-section profile and then create a 3D object from that.